Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial with another video, and today, as you can see, we are in Roblox, of course. You may notice my avatar is looking different now. And, yeah, so I'm playing a game. I just want to say the game. It's called Working Roblox Time Machine. I said Roblox today because it's in all caps. It's made by guest 780192, which is actually my alt account. So, yeah, so this is what he looks like. I made it on my alt account. If you can't find it in searchable, you can just search this guy's name up. And I guess 7890192, and you should see me. So yeah, I have blue hair, and I probably won't be changing it for a while. So yeah, so if you wonder how this works, go back to 2006, 2009. The clicking this button will actually send you back to Super Nostalgia Zone. Go back to 2010. This will just send you for like 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014 simulators, and then 2015 Roblox pretty much got changed to look like how it is today. So. Yeah, so first of all, you may notice something really weird. Am I a time traveler? There is Builders Club next to my name. Yes, that is actually a topic we're going to be going over in this video. Hold on, I'm talking really loudly because of this new microphone. So I'm gonna actually teaching you how to bring back Builders Club since premium sucks, as we all know. So yeah, it's pretty simple. This only works for the game player itself, though it doesn't appear on the site. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. So how you do it? I'm just pretty much gonna be walking around this game or whatever. So how you do it? First, what you need to do is the most important part is you need to locate your Roblox. Not the actual game itself, but the shortcut. You need to locate shortcut, which for most of you should be on your desktop. So go to your desktop or whatever it's located at. Right click it yeah, so you're gonna right click it, and there should be a thing that opens that says open file location. Oh yeah, by the way, this only works on Windows. Yeah, and I can't show the gameplay. I can't show the actual me going in File Explorer either because of recording issues. But yeah, so once it does that, yeah, and also I think this method does work on Mac. I'm just not sure how to do it because I don't own a Mac and I don't know. Plus, Windows is better anyway because, it's more popular. So I'm sure most of you are watching on a PC, unless you're Ramsey, of course, which most of you guys probably don't know what that means, but it doesn't have anything to do with you. So anyway, so what you want to do is you're going to right click on open file location, and there should be a File Explorer window that pops up, and in it should say, something like, it should send you to some kind of weird directory, and there's going to be folders, and then you'll see the actual game icon itself. So there should be a folder in there called Content. Click on Content. I want you to click on Content. Alright, and you'll double click it so you can open it and stuff. And, once you've actually opened it and double clicked it and everything, there will be another folder inside it that will say Textures. I want you to open Textures. Alright, so now that once you're in Textures, I want you to just go to the search bar and search up Premium. And if you can't do that, then follow my steps. You need to go, because sometimes there's like a glitch, at least for me, where searching doesn't work. You can go in the folder that says UI, and then go to the player list icons folder. And then, yeah, so what that will do is, you're going to go to player list icons, and then scroll down until you see the premium icon. So first, actually, sorry, I messed up. You actually need to search up the BC icon first. You may be wondering, why do we need to search up the Builders Club icon? It's gone. Well, yeah, Roblox isn't using it in the game anymore, but somehow it still lingers in the files, just like the Tix icon, the old Roblox icon. Not sure why Roblox does that. So yeah, I just want you to go in the files, and then so yeah, I just want you to search up BC. Sorry, I messed up. And you should see the Builders Club icon. So you can only bring back one of these. You can either bring back BC, TBC, or OBC, since there's only one kind of premium. There are multiple kinds, but they don't have like different icons, so you can't really, do anything about that. So what you're going to do is, you can only choose one to bring back. I just of course brought back normal BC. So yeah, and so once you did that, you're going to go ahead. Yeah, so I just chose to brought back normal BC. So whichever one you want to use, right click on it and click on copy. Now, I don't want you to close File Explorer, I just want you to minimize it. And then you go to your desktop and paste it to your desktop. You just right click on your desktop, click on paste, and there you go. The icon is now on your desktop. So the reason why I'm doing that is because it'll be important later in the tutorial. actually pretty soon, but yeah. So now you're going to go, and now you're going to search up the premium icon, and you should see 3 premium icons, 3 of them. So I want you to right click on them, and click on open with. So this is where I gotta pause here. So this kind of depends on what image editor you use. I personally use PhotoPad image editor, and trust me, it can't be like a basic image editor like MS Paint. It has to be a professional one like Photoshop or something. So I personally use PhotoPad image editor just because I would use Photoshop, but it takes up too much space. You have to pay for it anyway, and I don't really like doing that. So yeah, so what you're gonna do is because of that, you can't, I mean, you don't have to download PhotoPad, but I want you to open it with whatever image editor you're using, and open the premium icon. The premium icon might look weird, but just ignore it, it's okay. And there should be a color removal option. If you have a color removal option in your image editor, if you know you don't, then unfortunately you're gonna have to download another one that does have it. And if you don't know, go ahead and look for it. It should be, if you have like a tools tab, it should be under that, at least for PhotoPad is. So if you have a color removal option, you're gonna click on that, and it should have a color palette, or palette. I'm not sure if it's like palette for French or whatever, but the color thing should pop up, and you're gonna set the color thing all the way to white. Okay, I want you to set it to white, just completely to white, and you should see something disappear from the image, and that is the premium icon. And all you'll see is just either one block or a couple of blocks, depending on which one you decide, which premium icon you decided to change. And so yeah, so just ignore that because that's all transparent. It's like vector blocks and stuff. So what you're going to do is so once you have it like that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna overlay an image. So you're gonna overlay an image, and you're gonna navigate to your desktop. Go to your desktop, and then choose the Builder's Club icon that you pasted there. See, I told you that would become useful. And now it should automatically crop it. Sometimes it doesn't, at least for PhotoPad. Now, if it doesn't automatically crop it, it should crop it at least really small, at least if you're doing the smallest one. So if you're not doing the smallest one, and you crop it, it's like really small compared to how big the image is. So if it's like that, there's a certain thing. I want you to crop it not all the way that it's like meeting the complete edges of the image, because it can't be going out, obviously. Not so it meets the complete like edge of the image, but I just want you just to have a little bit with it, and just not so small that it's like it's like as small as the smallest premium icon, but at least just but not as big as it's like going out to the edges. So a little bit like in the middle, you know, that you just gotta pretty much repeat those steps for every icon. And then yeah, so once you're done with that, you can save it to those images, close File Explorer, open a Roblox game, and it should, whoever has premium, it will now show up as the Builders Club icon. So yeah, and as you can see, I bought premium recently with a Roblox gift card, so I kind of have that right there. Yeah, and I also have like close to 4,000. I have like 3.9k Robux now. Like, and if you think I'm lying, I can't show you right now because the recording problems. But yeah, trust me, I really do have that much Robux. I know you're probably not gonna believe me, but trust me, I'm just saying. I propose I am. So yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much the tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, and if you enjoyed having BC back. Yeah, so like the video if you want BC back, and yeah, I'll see you in another video, guys. Goodbye.